Ta-da! Our award for reaching 100,000 subscribers on YouTube is here. It is finally here. It is finally here. Yes, 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 yes. It is our award. Before I start, in case you are stopping by on this channel for the first time, this is the Bell Makeovers. And for my OGs, for people that have been there since day one or even recently, up till when I reached 100,000 subscribers and even surpassed it, you are welcome back. Thank you so much for all your support for all these past years. Thank you. I don't take it for granted. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. So as I said, this is the Bell Makeovers. In case you are stopping by for the first time, I'm a makeup artist and a makeup trainer based in the United Kingdom. So I really want to appreciate you. I will open this in a bit. I just got it since actually I didn't request for this on time because it's been a long year. It's been a very long year for me, but now it is here, and it is our award. It is not for me, but it is for every single one of us that subscribe to this channel. Because if you were not here, I might as well, just come and be talking to an empty room. If there was nobody listening to me, I mean, there will be no 100, and I think we're around 140,000 subscribers now. Before I open this package, I just want to appreciate everybody here. I want to appreciate every single one of my subscribers. I didn't set out to be a YouTuber. I started YouTube in April 2020. That was during the lockdown, and it was I've been a makeup artist for so much longer, and then I create content and just post it on other platforms where I use. And I was just like, oh, I had a lot of time on my hands, and I filmed I think I filmed a look for my birthday. That time it was lockdown, we were in the house, and I was able to film it from A to Z. And I was like, oh, why don't I just post this thing on YouTube as well, instead of just my Instagram and all of that. And I posted. I had no idea about how YouTube works. I just saw it as another social media platform. Actually, I just, the same way I would post on Instagram, I just came to post the same content on YouTube. I can remember, I think a day or two, or I can't remember, after posting that particular first video, I got a copyright claim from YouTube because I had put a random song, just the same way we put any song we like on other platforms. And I was like, what's going on? That was when I went back to YouTube to go and check, okay, how does YouTube work? How do you create content? How do you upload? I knew nothing about YouTube. But since then, when I figured out, okay, this is what I needed to do, this is what I should do, this is what I shouldn't do, and I started, churning out content bit by bit. I know I've not been very consistent, but even with the little that I've done, see the level of appreciation you people have shown me. I get messages on my other platform. They'll say, oh, I watched your YouTube video, I watched your this video on YouTube, and I came to look for you. Thank you so much. I mean, from all over the world, from countries I've not even heard, and that I was hearing their names for the first time. Thank you. It has been very humbling, and I'm so honored. Thank you for sticking by me. Thank you. Then people that will reach out, oh, we've not seen your content in a while, hope you are okay. I really appreciate everybody. Thank you so much for all the likes, for all the comments, for all the shares, for all the, oh God, thank you. I don't even know what to say. I'm short of words. Thank you so much for sticking with the Bell Makeovers channel. This award here, it is for all of us. It's not just for me. It's not just for the Bell Makeovers. It is for every single one of us here. So I'm going to open it now, and we're going to check out our award together. Okay, So we're opening it now. Yeah, okay, there's a letter in it. Let's read it before we open the award itself. Okay, this is it. Yeah, here. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1000 subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know you will definitely remember your 100,000 subscribers. Your fans, or fans, your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being part of the growing community that you established. We are thrilled to see the development of your community, and we are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Created Award. Congratulations. Thank you. Congratulations to us. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community. Yeah, I do. And we know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we are here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? Yours sincerely, Susan, CEO YouTube. Thank you so much for this amazing opportunity and letter YouTube. And here is our award. Let me remove it. Yay! It says presented to the Bell Makeovers for passing 100,000 subscribers. I don't even know what to say. This is, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Thank you. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you. We're almost at 140,000 subscribers now as at time of making this video, and I know that we're going to get to 200, 300, 500,000, and even 1 million subscribers by God's grace and by your support. Thank you so much. Thank you for making this a reality for me. I really appreciate you. So lastly, I dedicate this award to God and to all of you, my beautiful subscribers. Thank you for sticking with me through this journey, and I promise you that the content that you subscribe for, you are going to get it. It's going to get better here on this channel. And thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video very soon. And if you have seen this video and you have not subscribed to this channel, this is your cue. Subscribe and join this awesome family. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye.